guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share and comment down below. So today it's on a Sunday, a perfect day or the best day to visit beautiful places. And today the place you're going to visit, as you've seen already, it's called Tiret, a very interesting place. The place has amazing activities like ziplining, archeries, boat riding, horse riding, and many more etc. So you'll also love the nature. Everything about it is just amazing. And apart from the sceneries that we are going to view, I also love the breath, the fresh air that comes with the place as you travel there. It's just amazing. So stay tuned. We are finally here, guys, and I don't want to talk much. I just want you guys to enjoy the video.